Good afternoon, folks. Thank you very much for joining us for your self-guided lesson in learning Hebrew. Hebrew is an alphabet based upon letters. The letters are consonants. Dots and dashes placed underneath or next to the letters make the vowel sounds. So as you see here at the top of your page, you have a letter. This makes the M sound. It is called a mem. You see one dot here, this is an E dot, two horizontal dots placed below a letter is an A, and three dots in this configuration makes the S sound. So the mem plus one dot is an E, that's me, and this is me, 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 me. Pretty easy. The mem with two dots underneath it is may, 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 may. And feel free to practice that a little bit. The third line is meh, 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 meh. And now we're going to go to line number 4. Me, 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 me. Line 5. May, 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 may. Line 6. Meh, 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 meh. Line 7, it's getting harder now. Me, may, me, meh, me, meh, meh. Let's try that again, slower on line 7. Me, may, me, meh, me, meh, meh. Line 8. Meh, me, may, me, may, me, meh, me, meh. Line 9. Meh, 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 may, me, meh, me, meh. Line 10. Me, meh, me, meh, 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 me, meh. Just as a reminder, one dot below a letter is an E, two horizontal dots below is an A, three dots in this configuration makes the S sound. So let's try going back to the very beginning, line number 1, and it should be fairly easy. We're on line number 1. Me, 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 me. Line 2. May, 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 may. Line 3. Meh, 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 meh. Line 4. Me, 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 me. Line 5. May, 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 may. Line 6. Meh, 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 meh. Line 7. Me, may, me, meh, me, meh, meh. Line 8. Meh, me, may, me, meh, meh, meh. Line 8 one more time. Meh, me, may, me, meh, meh, meh. Line 9. Meh, 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 may, meh. Line 10. Me, meh, 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 meh. So this is a Lamed, and as you see at the top of the page, again, one dot below a letter is an E, two horizontal dots is an A, three dots in this configuration is an E. This is the L sound. This is a L. called a lamed. Lamed. Line 1 is li, 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 li. Line 2 is lay, 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 lay. A little bit bigger if I can. Line 3 is le, 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 le. Line 4, li, li, le, 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 li, le, li, le, le, li. Repeat 4. Li, li, le, 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 li, le, li, le, le, li. Line 5. Le, 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 li, le, 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 li, le, le. Review 5. Le, 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 li, le, 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 li, le, le. Line 6. Me, le, me, li, le, me, le. Review 6. Me, le, me, li, le, me, le. Line 7. Me, le, me, le, me, le. Line 8. Me, mel, me, mel. Review 8. Me, mel, me, mel. Line 9. Me, mele, mele. Line 10. Mele, mele. Reviewing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. Lili, lele, lele, lile, lile, leli. 5. Lele, lele, leli, lele, leli, lele. Line 6. Mele, leme, meli, leme, mile, mele. Line 7. Mele, mele, mele. Line 8. Me, mel, mele, mel. Line 9. Me, mele, mele. And line 10 is mele. Mele. You got this. You are really together. So we're going to move on to the next lesson. Which I've labeled page 4. This letter and this letter make a ch sound. In English, people write ch either with a ch or a kh. It really doesn't matter. It's an artificial construct, obviously. In English, there's no ch. In Hebrew, ch is a very important sound. And so we have a number of letters that make the same sound. This is a ch. This is a ch. This is a ch when it's found at the beginning or anywhere in the middle of a word. If this letter is the last letter of a word, then it becomes this shape. This is called the final ch. If this letter is found anywhere in the middle or the beginning of a word, it's going to look like this, and it's going to be ch. If it's the last letter, the end of a word, it's called the final chaf. This is a final chaf. This is a regular chaf. There are a few letters in Hebrew which, when they appear as the last letter in a word, change shape. It's kind of a challenge. So line 1 is ch, 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 ch. Since this is the last letter at the end of a word, it really would be ugh, 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 ugh. Line 2, ch, ugh, ch, ugh, ch, ugh, ch, ugh. You know your vowels, remember? 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots. Chi, chi, che, 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 chi. Line number 4. Chi, che, che, chi, che, 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 che. Let's move this up a little bit. Line 5. Chili, chimi, chimich. Again, chimich. Chilech, lechech. Line 6. Leche, 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 leche. Let's go back to line 4. Chi, che, che, chi, che, 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 che. Line 5. Chili, chimi, chimich, chilech, lechech. Line 6. Leche, 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 leche. Line 7. Milche, 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 milche. Line 8. Melche, 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 melche. You know, 2 horizontal dots makes the A sound. You can't really say melche because the lamed kind of changes the sound. So may becomes male, melche, 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 melche. Line 10. Leche, 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 leche. Those are all the same. It's easy. But let's go back up here. Line number 4, review. Chiche, chechi, cheche, che, che, che. Line 5. Chili, chimi, chimich, chilech, lechech. Line 6. Leche, 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 leche. Line 7. Milche, 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 milche. Line 8. Melche, 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 melche. Line 9. Melche, 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 melche. Line 10 is leche. Here on the bottom, you see the footnote. Chaf is used at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Final chaf is used at the end of a word. And so we're ready to move on to the next page, which is page number 6. There are 2 forms of the A vowel. One is 2 horizontal dots. One is 2 horizontal dots with this little floaty thing floating in outer space. I call it the apostrophe. So they're both the same. This is A, this is A. 2 dots with this little thing floating in space. It looks like an apostrophe. They're pronounced the same way. So as you see here on page 6, line 1, che, 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 che. Line 2, che, leche, 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 che. Line 3, leche, 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 le. Line 4, mi melech, leche, Lechei, melech. Line 5. Milchei, 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 milchei. Line 6. Melchei, 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 melchei. Line 7. Melchei, 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 melchei. Line 8. Melchei, melech, melchei, melech, melchei. Line 9. Melchei, mi melech, melchei, mi melech, melchei. Line 10 is a little bit of a challenge visually, but you already know how to handle this, so don't worry about it. Me, lechei, me, lechei, me, lechei, me, lechei, me, lechei. So now let's just do a quick review. Let's review line 3. Lechei, 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 le. Line 4. Mi melech, lechei, lechei, melech. Line 5. Milchei, 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 milchei. Line 6. Melchei, 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 melchei. Line 7. Melchei, 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 melchei. Line 8. Melchei, melech, melchei, melech, melchei. You got it. You know exactly what you're doing. So now we're going over to this page. And you see here 2 new vowels. Ah and ah. This is the ah vowel. I call this the T vowel. They're pronounced the exact same way. Ah and ah. We have 2 forms of the ah vowel. We have 2 forms of the E vowel. So same letters as you have seen before. So this is the mem with the ah. This is ma. Ma, 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 ma. This is the lamed. La, 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 la. Repeat line 1. Ma, 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 la, 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 la. Line 2. Ma, la, lama, lama, la, la, ma. Try it one more time, line 2. Ma, la, lama. You know llama, it's that animal that lives in the Andes. Llama, la, like la, la. Mama, that's what a baby doll says, mama. Line 3, that was a joke, folks, smile, haha. Line 3, ma, mal, mal. Line 4, mal, mal, Line 5, mal, hey, Review 5. Mal, hey, Once more. Line 4. Mal, Line 5. Mal, hey, Line 6. Ma, mal, lechei, malchei, malchei. Ta-da, malchei. That means the kings of. You're learning some words based upon a song, a poem, a prayer. The song, the poem, the prayer is the Shalom Aleichem, and the theme of the Shalom Aleichem, which we sing Friday nights, is that angels of peace sent by God visit each and every home. So Malche means kings of and refers to a long title. God is the king of all kings. And now you know Malche. Line number 7. Malche, 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 Malche. Line 8. Che, Che, Leche, Mal, Mal, Malche. Line 9. Malche, 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 Melech, Malche. Line 10. Malche, Melech, Malche, Melech, Malche. Lines 11 and 12. Mi, lech, mi mele, lech. 11. Mi, lech, mi mele, lech. Line 12. Malche, mi melech, malche, mi melech, malche. Line 12. Malche, mi melech, malche, mi melech, malche. This line 12, is sung with that song, that prayer, Shalom Aleichem, and in a few weeks, we'll be singing the Shalom Aleichem together. Just as a reminder, both of these are pronounced ah. You might know the word Shabbat, ah vowel and ah vowel. For now, we're going to stop. You've had a lot to learn, and please, you're doing great. Your progress is wonderful, and we'll come back to the next lesson in just a little bit. Shalom for now. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. Bye.